Welcome to AI Sapien YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Yes, yesterday we posted a video about Google postponing the launch of Gemini, just to wake up today to them announcing the launch of a new AI model. Google says it outperforms both GPT-4 and expert humans. Gemini appeared to have set a new standard, experts say. So today's video will be about this announcement and to explore its capabilities. We also look into how Google's Gemini AI makes your Android phone faster and smarter and impact on smartphone industry. So stick around. First, let's listen to what Google CEO and CEO Google DeepMind have to say about it.
One of the reasons we got interested in AI from the very beginning is that we always viewed our mission as a timeless mission. It's to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. But as information has grown in scale and complexity, the problem has gotten harder. So we always knew we needed to have a deeper breakthrough to make progress.
I've worked on AI my whole life because I've always felt it would be the most beneficial and consequential technology for humanity. Human beings in our society would have 5 senses, and the world we built and the media we consume is in those different modalities. So I'm super proud and excited to announce the launch of the Gemini era, a first step towards a truly universal AI model.
The Gemini approach to multimodality is all the kinds of things you want an artificial intelligence system to be able to do. And these are capabilities that haven't really existed in computers before.
Traditionally, multimodal models are created by stitching together text-only, vision-only, and audio-only models in a suboptimal way at a secondary stage. Gemini is the multimodal from the ground up, so it can seamlessly have a conversation across modalities and give you the best possible response.
Gemini is our largest and most capable model. It means that Gemini can understand the world around us in the way that we do and absorb any type of input and output. So not just text like most models, but also code, audio, image, and video. What's amazing about Gemini is that it's so good at so many things. As we started getting to the end of the training, we started seeing that Gemini was better than any other model out there on these very, very important benchmarks. For example, each of the 50 different subject areas that we tested on, it's as good as the best expert humans in those areas.
It's very rare to work on a technology at a foundational level, and it simultaneously can impact all our products.
We created a family of models that can run on everything from mobile devices to data centers, each of which is actually best in class.
Gemini will be available in 3 sizes. Gemini Ultra, our most capable and largest model for highly complex tasks. Gemini Pro, our best performing model for a broad range of tasks. And Gemini Nano, our most efficient model for on-device tasks.
We want to provide the best foundational building blocks, and then we know developers and enterprise customers are going to figure out really creative ways to further refine our Gemini foundational models, and the potential's almost limitless.
Just to make things a bit clearer, the smallest version, Gemini Nano, which is designed to run locally on smartphones, is actually 2 models, one for slower phones and one for more powerful devices. Nano will appear in Android phones, starting with Google's Pixel 8 Pro phone, to answer complex voice, video, photo, and written questions on the phone itself, without the need for an internet connection. The mid-range Pro version of Gemini beats some other models, such as OpenAI's GPT-3.5. It will be running on Google's data centers, and is designed to power the latest version of the company's AI chatbot, Bard. It's capable of delivering fast response times and understanding complex queries. Gemini Ultra. Though still unavailable for widespread use, Google describes Gemini Ultra as its most capable model. It's designed for highly complex tasks and is set to be released after finishing its current phase of testing. If you're a Google Pixel 8 Pro user, your phone is about to get a serious AI upgrade from Google. And if you're not a Pixel user, but still an Android user, there's good news for you too. Starting today, Google is bringing its new Gemini model of the Bard AI to the Pixel 8 Pro. This is only a small initial rollout, and your phone may not even feel that different. But if Gemini can work the way Google thinks it can, and if it can be brought to the Google Assistant on Pixel phones, this could over time become a huge addition to Google's product line, And when Gemini rolls out to Android overall, it will have an even broader impact. Long term, Gemini looked to have a potentially massive impact on Android devices and could change almost everything we do with our devices. Will we start to see a migration from iOS to Android, or will we see new breed of devices? Will Apple be able to compete, or will this end its smartphone dominance? Starting on Wednesday, 13th December, Gemini would be used to power Google's software writing platform, AlphaCode, where it would be able to solve nearly twice as many problems as the previous AI. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, you can view more videos in the OpenAI playlist. Please click the subscribe button to follow us for the most recent updates. We couldn't be doing this without you, and we try very hard to bring you up-to-date news.